Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 8 how to record a video and then post to Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. And so the first thing we need to have access to is an iPhone itself. Download the app and now we can click the application itself, Instagram, and now we can go to the profile, post a video by clicking on the square with a cross inside. From library photos to now video, Instagram would like to access your microphone. This lets you record a video with sound. Okay, and now we can record a video by holding down on the record button, and now the video has recorded. Click on next. We have the video. Change the contrast, the filter. We can trim the video, choose the suitable thumbnail for the video. Click on next and now type in the caption. Computer science videos. My iPhone 8 Plus. Another video. Press OK. We can actually tag people at a location or post to social media. We will share the video, and now the video is actually posted to the account. Go to your profile. We have the video on screen. Go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.